Have you ever felt betrayed, hurt, or disrespected? Your first instinct might be to retaliate, but what if I told you that the most powerful form of revenge isn't anger or confrontation? It's something far more impactful. The ancient Stoics had a solution, one that not only disarms your enemies, but elevates you beyond their reach. Revenge is often viewed as payback, a way to restore balance. But according to Stoicism, true power doesn't lie in retaliation. It comes from mastering yourself. Instead of wasting energy on those who've wronged you, imagine transforming that pain into unstoppable personal growth. In this video, I'll reveal the ultimate Stoic approach to revenge, one that makes those who hurt you irrelevant in your life. 1. Indifference is the ultimate power. When someone hurts you, they expect a reaction. They feed off your pain. But the moment you stop giving them power over your emotions, they lose their grip. Marcus Aurelius wisely said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who wronged you. Detach, move on. Let them wallow in their bitterness while you rise above it." 2. Success is the greatest revenge. The Stoics believed true revenge is simply living well. Imagine the person who doubted you, watching you succeed, grow, and thrive. Without them, they may have expected your downfall, but instead you soar higher. Show them they were never an obstacle, just a lesson. 3. Control what you can, ignore what you can't. As Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." You can't control what others do, but you can control how you respond. Every time you dwell on past hurt, you're giving them space in your mind. Take back that power. Redirect your focus on improving yourself. 4. Master your emotions, master your life. Anger ties you to the past. Self-control, on the other hand, is freedom. The Stoics trained themselves to remain unaffected by those who hurt them. Picture yourself unshaken, calm and composed, your silence louder than any words. The less you care, the stronger you become. 5. Live so well they become irrelevant. The ultimate form of revenge is living a life so fulfilling that those who wronged you become a distant memory. They expected you to crumble, but instead, you thrive. This is the Stoic way. You don't just move on, you rise above. 6th, final thought. Peace is their defeat. At the end of the day, the best revenge isn't about them. It's about you. The more at peace you are, the less their actions matter. When you truly stop caring, that's when you've won. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you wanted revenge? What did you do instead? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Stay strong, stay stoic,